Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. So to do that, we have to at first head over to our Chrome. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three dots on the top. Now you will find the settings option in here, head over to settings. Now in here, scroll to the bottom and you will find the theme section in advanced. So go to theme. And here, as you can see, my one is set on system default. So you can turn on dark theme when device is dark theme or battery saver is on. So you just have to change it to dark. As my device is in dark theme, so it is getting the system default. You can change it to dark instead. So yeah, this is how easily you can enable dark mode on Google Chrome. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. We'll reach you out. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Hope to see you in the next one.